Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play on Minecraft Earth. Unfortunately, Minecraft Earth is no longer supported or playable. This augmented reality game, which once allowed millions of players to bring Minecraft creations into the real world, has been retired. While the concept was exciting, the game's servers are no longer active, meaning new players cannot join and existing players cannot access their builds or adventures. Minecraft Earth was a unique mobile experience, blending the familiar blocky world with augmented reality. Players could collect various mobs and items by walking around their neighborhoods. You could place build plates on any flat surface, allowing you to construct intricate designs in a virtual space that appeared in the real world. It also featured adventures, which were small, interactive scenarios bringing classic Minecraft action to life around you. While Minecraft Earth is no longer available, many other fantastic augmented reality and building games offer similar experiences. You can find mobile games that encourage real-world exploration and item collection, much like Minecraft Earth did. Other titles focus on creative building, allowing you to design and share your creations with a global community. Look for games that combine physical movement with engaging virtual worlds for a comparable adventure. Even without Minecraft Earth, the world of Minecraft offers countless ways to play. The original Minecraft game provides an unparalleled sandbox for building, exploring, and surviving across vast, procedurally generated worlds. For those who enjoy action, Minecraft Dungeons delivers exciting dungeon crawling. If strategy is more your style, Minecraft Legends offers a unique real-time strategy experience. There are many ways to continue your blocky adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.